Okay, this is going to be a review of the U-Haul 20-foot truck. This is the 20-foot truck that they do offer. They do offer a one bigger size, which would be the 26-foot. So as you can see, it is pretty big. It does come for $10 additional. Large furniture pads, and then also the dolly for $7. It does have a light. Light obviously doesn't work, and then you have a little storage area up here.
I'm just looking for something to get me out of my seat, something that's true. What did I do? 'Cause every time I turn around, I'm back
It's the inside of the cab. This particular truck has 64,000 miles on it.